Hello guys, I Arabinda Mohapatra. I'm back with another interview question. This question being asked by one of the biggest e-commerce product-based company. So let's jump into the question. So for the better understanding, we'll jump into the Excel sheet. So there is a table called cinema ticket table. So basically in the cinema hall we have multiple row A, B, C till Z, and in each row is having some of the seats are there like here from A1 to A10, B1 to B10 like that, and occupancy is a column which will reflect the seat status of each seat number. So one is it's filled, zero is it's empty. So here just for the instance A4 it's mentioned 0, that means this seat is empty. A1 this has been already filled it, that's the reason it's reflecting 1. So now the question is we have to find out the consecutive empty seat in each row. So here from A3 to A6 we will see A3 to A6. These are the consecutive 4 empty seat in a row. Okay, so here it will not consider as a consecutive, it will be a consecutive empty seat, but it's not in a single row from A9 to B3. These are the consecutive seats. Also, these are the more than 4 consecutive seats are there, but that's not coming in a single row because A9 is belongs to A row and B3 is belongs to B row. So they are not in the same row. So here the question is try to find out the number the 4 consecutive empty seat is available in a single row. So the output should be basically this one A3, A4, A5 and A6. So the format of the output should be seat number A3, starting position of empty seat, end position of empty seat, that is A6. Starting position is A3, end position is A6. If we will able to find the summation of occupancy of 4 consecutive seat is 0, then we will get the answer. And what does it mean? If you will find out the summation of 4 consecutive seats, the summation is here 2. If it will be 0, then we will get the answer because 0 is reflecting as a empty seat. So here, if you will add these 4 occupancy of the seat number from A3 to A6, it will be 0. Then we will get the answer. Then how to find out? We can use the lead function. Lead is analytical function basically. So which will provide the access to the row at a given physical offset that will follows the current row. That means it will use to compare the value with the current row along with the following row. With the following row. Here we are not comparing. Here we are some adding. So how we will do it? So our main aim is now how we will add the this 4 value. To add the 4 value, what we will do? If we will move this value to here from this A2 value to next to the A1 and this A3 value next to A2 and this A4 value next to the A3, then our job will be done. So just over the better representation, I mentioned here occupancy is a column is present already is present in the table. Now we will create another column by the help of the lead function. So which will lead the value by one row up, and so this value will be moved to here, and this value will be moved to here by 2 row, lead by 2 row, and this value will move to here by lead by 3 row. So here if we will get this value in this sequence in this format, then we will easily able to add these, able to add the consecutive row to get the answer. So here a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4, it's 2. So it didn't fulfill my requirement. And here from a2 to a5, here also it didn't fulfill my requirement. But when I come to the a3 plus a4 plus a5 plus a6, it will fulfill my requirement because it's coming in a same row, that is a, and the summation is also 0, that is empty seat. So now let's jump into the SQL Server Management Studio to get the answer. So I'm just running this table. So what I will do, basically just bear with me. Sometime you will come to know how this lead will work to find out the summation of 4 consecutive occupancy of seat lead. So what we will do here, basically, so we will mention the column which one we want to move the value. Okay, select, then will override clause is there for this one. We'll do the partition by each row. So here we have to drag the A only from the seat number A1. So what we will do, we will use the left function which will help us to fetch the A from A1. Seat number is there. Now in which order it will fetch the data, it should be within the same row only. It should be within the same order by this A row only, that is seat number, order by the seat number, that is A. We'll just give a alias to this one, forward one seat from this table. So let's run it. This occupancy column is, I'm leading from one row, from here to here. It will like, it will start from here, but there is no column, like there is no rows is there, so it will not reflect here. So it will start, it will be up in one row upward, and here this will move to here, and this value a3, this will move to here to the value a2, and here a4 value move to the a3. So like that it will be forwarded one row up. So likewise we have to forward each value to, forward by 2 row up, forward by 3 row up, because we have to find out the summation of the consecutive rows. So here we just copy paste the formula and we just change the name. Then what we have to do, we have to change the number of rows to be up, and we have to find out the next seat where this empty seat will get end of the end seat, where the empty seat is ending, the seat number basically. lead by, basically we have to mention the seat number. So where it will lead it, where it will go off by 3 rows up. We mention this one as a next seat. So while we're trying to find out this next seat, so that we can able to find out the end seat of the 4 consecutive empty seats. So we'll just bear with me. We'll come to know when I will move forward. Okay, fine. So here we can see this. This is the forward one seat, two seat, and next seat. So next seat is next seat. It will be A1, and the next seat is A4 because we have forwarded the seat to 3 position. So here what we will do. So here you can see A1 will go up. That is no values are there as the rows is not available, and A2 went to A1. Here you can see this is zero value of A3. It went to value of here, and this value went to here. This A4 value went to here. So A1, A2, A3, and A4. So we have moved the value accordingly. So now what we will do, now we will sum all the value. Now we'll sum all the occupancy. Like now we will add all the column occupancy plus forward one seat, forward two seat, forward three seat, and we'll see where the value summation is equal to 0. To get it, what I will do, we'll just try to write one common table expression which will help us to all the intermediate results. We can use this common table expression result output in some other query. Select occupancy plus forward underscore one seat plus forward underscore two seat plus forward underscore three seat. Okay, star, and we will just give a alias as summation score. We'll put the parenthesis so that it will be easier to understand. And from ct underscore one table, now we'll run it. Let's see what will be the output. So see this one, see this row. Now we got the summation score equal to 0 here. So the starting seat number is A3 and ending seat number is A6 and the summation is 0. So wherever, now if I will filter out this 0, so wherever this 0 will be there, I will able to get the start seat number and end seat number of 4 consecutive empty seats. So what I have to do now, I will just mention another common table expression to hold this result so that I can able to use in the next iteration. So now select seat number, comma, next seat from mctv underscore b, where this score is equal to 0. So let's okay, because there is space, that's the issue. So what we can do it, we, so better to use the schema to identify the table. So now we got the start seat is A3 and end seat is A6. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the new video. Live your life, live your dream. Thank you.